Good morning, guys. Now it's 10 a.m. I am leaving here, Lake Tekapo to Wanaka. There's another lake there as well. It should be a 2-hour drive, 2.5-hour drive, depends how fast I go. Let's keep going, hoping for some beautiful scenery along the way. Beautiful snowy mountains in the background. Such a gorgeous drive here in the morning now that it's sunny at the Lake Tekapo, which was just 20 minutes ago was raining, and now this area here on my way to Wanaka, it's such a beautiful and peaceful landscape to drive through. It shouldn't have any icy roads because the temperature is about 5 degrees and Celsius, and it's when it's about 0 that the roads get icy, which is 32 Fahrenheit. Beautiful drive. Let's keep going. Hello guys, I'm here at Lake Pukaki now. The landscape here, absolutely amazing. So let's go take a walk and take a look around. I'll show you guys a little bit of the rocks. I'm gonna come walk a little closer so you guys can take a look. I've actually never been to a cold place like this. I lived in Reykjavik in Iceland, so that's the closest I think I've been to a cold place like this. But I was in Reykjavik for 3 months, but it was summertime, which was around 17, 15, 13, 10. I have never been to a place where it's always like 1, 2 Celsius, 3 Celsius. So this is the coldest place I've ever been, I can say. Alright, I'm leaving Lake Pukaki now, going back to the car to get cozy and warm and be on my way back to Wanaka. Time to go. Alright, my face is frozen now. I'm back in the car here. I'm gonna start driving, leaving here Lake Pukaki right behind me and keep going. Lindis Pass, and a lot of snow fell here last night, so it's all white and beautiful. The road is a little bit slippery, but not bad, and there's some big trucks coming my way here right on the corner, so yeah, it's a bit scary. And there's lots of rocks here as well. So when the trucks go by, the rocks hit the windshield or windscreen. And my God, look at this landscape. Look at this snow. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm here at a lookout at Lindis Pass, and lots of snow, really slippery walking here. I actually parked my car over there, and I'm really afraid it may slip as well, because it's super slippery. But there's lots of trucks here and traffic, so it seems like it will be all right. So these big trucks here right behind me, as you can see. Very interesting driving here. I can see the cars driving slowly because it's a bit frosty. So yeah, just gotta be careful. There's people walking over there in the snow and playing with snow. Such a beautiful part of the country here. South Island, absolutely amazing. I'm blown away. See you guys soon. Let's keep going. Alright guys, I got here finally after an amazing drive. I got here to Wanaka, and this is Wanaka Lake, not surprisingly, and this is Wanaka Beach right here behind me, and it's such an amazing location. The town is actually not very small. There's 9,000 people approximately that live here, so beautiful little place. All these snow-capped mountains are incredible to see, and there's a cold wind coming here as well. But the temperature is about 8 degrees Celsius, which is maybe roughly 40 something, 48, 47 Fahrenheit. So not bad, because the sun is here as well. So I just have one jacket and a t-shirt underneath, and I am fine. I'm not super cold or anything. And I am sure that when I start walking around here in the town, I'm not gonna feel cold at all. So let's get something to eat. Let's have fun. So I'm walking around here, such a beautiful town, and we're about an hour only from Queenstown. The sky today is beautiful blue, and you can see the snow cap on top of the mountains right behind me here. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to a cafe now to grab a hot chocolate to warm up, and gonna grab something to eat as well and get back on the road and go all the way to Queenstown. So yeah, having an amazing time here walking around this beautiful little town. So I'm here at the Doben and I'm having a hot chocolate with this beautiful view. Take a look. I'm back inside the car now because it's freezing outside. So I have my hot chocolate here and I am ready to leave Wanaka and go to Queenstown. It's a 68-kilometer drive, so it's gonna be about 1 hour and 2 minutes roughly. So I gotta get there. I'm gonna get there around 3 o'clock, so I gotta get there before they snow. I think it's supposed to snow at 3 or 4 p.m. So I just wanna get there as soon as possible and get cozy up in a place, turn the heater on and relax a little bit before I go out to get something to eat again and explore a little bit this city at night. So let's keep going. So this is the other part of the town, Wanaka, here, leaving now. It's funny how quickly the weather turns. It was just sunny 20 minutes ago, super sunny and beautiful. And now it's all cloudy and supposedly it's gonna start raining very soon. So I'm glad we're hitting the road and going to Queenstown ASAP.